We have the Hungarian peppers, the jalapeno peppers, and the cayenne peppers. I think we've been able to grow from the Hungarian peppers so far, the first harvest, okay, it's 288 peppers. And I couldn't have grown anything more perfect. I'm more proud of myself. You're looking at self-growing planters. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 planters of purely nothing but Hungarian peppers. And they look great. Inside each planter is no less than 30 pepper plants. I don't grow it, it grows itself. And a torpedo pot, it's the biotic environment that puts this pepper together for you. You don't have to add fertilizers and all that stuff to it. I planted about, 30 of Hungarian pepper seeds and jalapeno pepper seeds, and each one of these self-growing planters. And their job is really to grow your food for you, okay? You should never have to grow food again because plants grow naturally.
Ooh, these things are so heavy. I feel sorry for these branches. I really do.
5, 66, 67, 68, 69. 69 peppers from one 20-inch planter.
Pure, unadulterated food, and it is delicious. Oh my gosh, you made me do it. 111 peppers, 173 peppers first harvest. Off one torpedo pot, fully automated, no human intervention, runs by itself.
When you have this many, you'd be out here for hours. These things are so heavy. I feel sorry for these branches. I really do. This is a lot of weight.